Hey, I'm Miriam from Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our OE FIX door pull repair kit for GM trucks. If you've ever been in a modern Suburban, Tahoe, or Yukon, you've no doubt noticed that the trucks are far less utilitarian than earlier iterations that more closely resembled work trucks. Part of that premium interior feel comes from the use of TPE, or thermoplastic elastomers. It offers a soft touch that's noticeably friendlier feeling than the hard plastics of the old days. Foam beneath these covers accentuates that inviting feeling, but it can come at the cost of reduced strength. If you've jumped in one of these trucks manufactured from 2010 to 2014, you may have grabbed the pull handle to close the door and been unpleasantly surprised at how loose it feels. That's because it's almost always broken. The door pull is where many elbows naturally rest during driving, and the slim strip where the arm sits has a pretty dinky piece of plastic within. On some models, there may be a metal reinforcement inside. You can usually identify these because they're the ones that haven't broken. When the flimsy ones break, the dealer solution is an entire door panel, and they're expensive. The junkyard really isn't an option either. They're all broken. In fact, take a look at this one we got at a salvage yard when trying to find suitable donors to test our repair. Note, a previous owner matched black ABS water pipe, sectioned it, and ran some screws to reinforce the door. Honestly, given that it's not really visible, it's a pretty good DIY solution. But we've got a better one. Our new OE FIX door handle repair kits for these trucks. We offer the driver's side pull in the two most common interior colors for these trucks, and they're an exact match, right down to the pebble graining molded into the TPE. We reinforce that weak area with a bridge of solid steel so you won't break another handle. And you won't break the bank either, since we sell just the kit to repair your handle, not the whole door card like GM tries to sell you. Now, I was personally involved in the development of this piece, and I do want to tell you this isn't a simple bolt and unbolt procedure. The armrest was affixed via plastic welding, so removing the old one takes a bit of time. You must use your drill bit wisely. Careful plastic removal is a requirement. Remove material a little bit at a time. The more fits and checks you do, the better the end product turns out. Due to thickness variances in the plastic welded areas, the hardware selection is up to you, but we include more than enough of a few different sizes to make sure you can get the fit just right. Ultimately, this repair yields a much stronger door pull that will never break like the OE at a fraction of the price. And when the repair is complete, the match is indistinguishable from the factory door panel. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. Thanks for checking out our video on this door pull repair. I'm Miriam, and I'll see you next time.